Hi, welcome. This is Marta Valle with Realty One Group MVP. I'm today at my open house at 5211 Ciatto Way in Bellera, which is part of Del Webb in Ave Maria, so a 55 and up community. It's a beautiful home. Let me show it. It's very private with a lot of space in between the homes as well. So let me turn this around and show it to you. So this is the house, 5211 Ciatto Way. This here goes around this way, and you can reach the mailboxes there. This here is the entrance. The gate is right there behind these homes, kind of a little bit further that way. So you're very close to the entrance. So you can see there's not much traffic in Bellera. I have a golf cart drive through Bellera that I will post in the description so that you can look through it. It's a very beautiful neighborhood. You can see here a lot of space between the homes. You also see a lot of landscaping, a lot of trees, mature trees. It's very pretty, very charming. Over here, you see that the house has a front porch. A lot of space. So this is a 2-bedroom plus den, 2-bath home with a 2-car garage. You have this front porch that can be screened in. So let's check it out. So you have a great room as you come in. In the back is the kitchen. And right away on the left is the den. It's a nice sized den. It can also be a bedroom. It can be upgraded to a bedroom. So it is, and you can put the lights here. So it is quite spacious. Then over here, as you come in, you have to the left the second bedroom, you see, and then the second bathroom and the second bedroom and the garage. Then over here, the master bedroom and also the laundry here. This way you can go to the lanai, which has an extended cage. And then here you see, like, it's very private. There's landscaping in front of the windows, a lot of space between the homes. So this is really pretty. So let me show it to you from here first. So this is the second bathroom. Over here, very clean, easy to maintain. And then here it has carpet in the bedrooms and tiled on the diagonal everywhere else. Over here is the entrance to the garage. And we have first here a few shelves. We have a utility sink right here. And then a nice space. It was just freshly painted, the garage floor. So it looks really pretty. The house is from 2016 and it has 1,437 square feet. So here's the living area. Here is the dining area. Also over here, you can put something here. And the furniture, most of the furniture is also available. And then this is the kitchen area. Really pretty with the kitchen with crown molding on the cabinets, big island. You even have the cabinets at the end of the island. You have granite countertops, a pantry. And then over here you go to the lanai. Let me actually show it directly. And then I'll show you the master in a moment. So here's the lanai with an extended cage. Over here. And then this is very, very private. You can see like beautiful landscaping, really pretty. Mature trees, very beautiful. Here are the neighbors, but also a lot of space between the homes. So you don't feel it's close. The neighbors over here you don't see at all. And back there's the lanai. go this way, and these doors, they have also something here that you can put down. So let's have a little diagonal look floor. The laundry is right here. You have a separate laundry room, washer and dryer, and cabinets, and they're an upgraded height. There's a linen closet right here, and a nice size master bedroom. This is a queen size bed with a tray ceiling and the beautiful view of the back. Really pretty. This is a neighborhood done by Pulte and DeBosta, and Pulte is really, really great about the landscaping. With another window here. You have a dual sink in the master bath. And then here the shower is tiled with a window here, and then the walk-in closet. So please reach out to me with questions about this home or any other research and new construction. Here's my phone number, and I'm Marta Valle with Realtor One Group MVP. I look forward to welcoming you in Ave Maria. Thank you, and God bless you.